Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open the Snapchat camera, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon, then tap Create Public Profile in your profile screen to start. Choose a clear display name, a high-contrast profile photo, and a short bio that communicates your focus and style. Add a username that's consistent with other platforms so followers recognize you. Review the public profile terms and the privacy prompts. Snapchat will outline what becomes public. Confirm to publish. Then verify your account settings and link any other public content you want to feature on this profile. Post a public story when you want content discoverable by anyone, not just friends. Tap Story, choose Public, then Publish. For Spotlight, create short, vertical videos that capture attention in the first 2 seconds and keep clips under 60 seconds for best engagement. Use captions, clear lighting, and a hook in the first 3 seconds to improve retention. Pin a best public story to showcase one highlighted collection on your profile front page, and use story titles and covers to guide new visitors toward your top content. Adjust who can contact, view, or remix your content in profile settings to control privacy and limit interactions like direct snaps or the ability to duet your posts. Open the Insights tab on your public profile to track metrics such as views, unique viewers, and completion rate so you can improve content decisions. Use that data to refine posting cadence and content type. Apply for Snapchat creator programs or monetization features when you meet the platform criteria, and always follow community guidelines to maintain access to earning tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.